Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about smartwatch BSW003 from the brand Firebolt. Let's get started. Now this is a black color smartwatch from the brand Firebolt, and as you can see, it's not like a regular smartwatch with a rectangular dial. It comes with a black color big round dial, and I love the fact that you can access all the features through this. While I'm rotating this, I'm able to see everything. Like if you want to do music control, you can forward the music, you can play and pause the music from here. Of course, you have to connect the watch with your mobile phone. You can easily connect this with your Android or your iPhone very easily. Plus, you can monitor your heart rate, your SpO2, your sleep monitoring, sedentary reminders, sports, calorie consumption. Everything can be monitored in this smartwatch. It also has multiple sports modes. Now, when I talk about sports modes, then whatever kind of sports you are into, whether it's badminton, tennis, cycling, skipping, basketball, football and swimming also, you can monitor everything from here. You can view your calls, you can view your messages, your emails, your notification on the watch itself. It also has Find My Phone, stopwatch, weather report. You can also remote music, and it also has this camera control you can do with this. Plus you can also set alarm and timer both in this watch. Other things, you also get SMS alert, Facebook notification, WhatsApp notification, everything you will get on this watch. It supports system for iOS 9.0 and above and for Android 4.4 and above. Now this watch has a strong battery life, so once you charge this fully, you can use it for a longer period of time. Now as far as water protection is there, it is IP68 waterproof, which is a decent water protection when it comes to a smartwatch. Now right now this is black in color, but you can change the strap also. After some time, if you get bored with this strap, what you can do, you can buy a colorful strap from the market and then you can attach this easily. Now here you get the charger also, and on the back side of it you have to put this together and then you can put the other end into the adapter or laptop, and then you can easily charge this smartwatch. Here you also have those sensors, and that's how the watch monitors the heart rate, the oxygen level and everything. So all in all, it's a great smartwatch from the brand Firebolt, which has amazing features: your heart rate, your training, your music, weather. You can do everything with this, and you can easily connect this with your Android or an iPhone very easily. This was it about this smartwatch BSW003. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Stay tuned in for more.